Hi everyone, my name is Bree. I do beauty videos, travel vlogs, etc, and I hope to do more item hauls and luxury unboxings. So if this interests you, don't hesitate to subscribe. And so I'm excited. Today's video will be a luxury unboxing of some Christian Louboutins, which I have right here. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video, comment, and hit the notification bell. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. I absolutely love these shoes when I see them online. I'm a size 8, 8.5 in women. I order all my heels in a size 9. So with that being said, these are size European 39. These are the summer 22 collection So Me 100 shoe in the color confetti or fuchsia, confetti slash fuchsia, I don't know. They come in multiple colors such as nude, green. The green will be a cute Christmas shoe, and it comes in black as well. The blacks were hot, and you can of course get plenty wears out of black pair. So yeah, let's get started. So it comes with this little pouch that has, I believe, heel tips. Yeah, heel tips. Then it comes with 2 dust bags. Okay, these are so cute. Oh my god, my phone fell. I didn't know if there was gonna be like a light pink or a hot pink, because some of the pictures look different. But yeah, it's a round open toe shoe with an adjustable ankle strap. Yo, my phone keeps falling. Love the what is it called, the spikes and the metallic leather, because I was really confused. I didn't know if the shoes was gonna be like light pink or metallic bright pink. Like, I didn't know based off the pictures, because the pictures was not given. These shoes can be dressed up, they could be dressed down. You could wear them with a dress, shorts, jeans, it doesn't matter. It's given very much that girl. It's a very edgy shoe with the signature red outsole. You can always get the sole protectors off Amazon. Depending where you get the shoes from, you could spend either $700, between $700 or $850. I paid $795. Tax was like $71. So in total, the shoe was $866. That was a drag or whatever. I love the way new shoes. Before I try these shoes on, I just want to see if it matches my Azalea Telfar, and it's not really given. It's not given. I mean, you could, but it don't match. But you could, but it don't match. I'm wondering if I should size down or not, because right here, and I insert a picture, it's a lot of space between my ankle and the strap. So I don't know if I was supposed to get an 8 or a 38 or what, but yeah, it's mad gappy right here. They cute though. So yeah, now I'm just debating, like, should I return them and get my size, or I'll probably have to go to the Louboutin store and try on an 8 to see, which ain't nobody got time for all that. Let me know in the comments your thoughts and whether you like more luxury unboxing videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.